Okay, so here is the astronomy set all put together. Took less than 10 minutes to get it all together. It's actually a pretty easy setup. Takes 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. That's how you turn it on. There's a few different settings. Comes with a little rocket ship and a little other toy. And I'll turn it on here and show you how it projects. And then as you can see, the galaxy on the ceiling. So it's for ages 6 and up. We got it as a gift for a 3-year-old, which I'm sure he'll love it and get some use out of it and be able to play with it just fine. And educational toys are always good for any age, as far as I'm concerned. Has a little telescope here. And a little satellite. And well made. All in all, I think it's a great gift, and we look forward to playing with it.